everybody, and welcome to my video today. I have a quick video for you today where I want to share with you how I use traditional layouts. So traditional scrapbook layouts where you take 12 by 12 cardstock, you put together photos and embellishments and some journaling, and then you add them. That is considered traditional scrapbooking. Like this layout here is considered traditional. And then what I do regularly in my album is considered pocketed scrapbooking, where you're just taking these divided pockets and you are dropping in photos. Now, I feel like there's benefits to both. So real quickly, when you're doing pocketed scrapbooking, whether you're doing it weekly or you're doing it monthly, or you're just doing it, like you're just taking the pockets and you're dropping everything in and it doesn't even, you don't even care if it's month or week or like, it doesn't matter. This is a very quick way to get memory keeping done. In 2011, when I had Andrew, I was strictly doing traditional layouts. And what was happening is with 3 kids, a baby, doing stuff online, I had just gotten involved with Stampin' Up. I could not keep up. I was up at like 2 in the morning. Andrew was 3 months old, and I'm trying to find another traditional layout in here. And I was doing a layout for his album, and I was thinking, I cannot do this. Like, I cannot keep up with 3 kids' albums, a family album. This is, but I didn't know what to do because I love this. This is my heart, doing stuff like this. I am so passionate about it. I love it. I believe that everybody can stay caught up, can keep doing it, can document moments. And I was really having a moment where I was struggling with how to do it. So like, this is a traditional, what would be considered a traditional 12 by 12 double-sided layouts. This is my title page for my album. But I just was having a real moment of not knowing how to keep up. And that is when I saw my all-time favorite video Becky Higgins ever did, and that was about Project Life. And it was about these pocketed pages. It was really straightforward, just a design A with 2, pockets up here for 4 by 6, a set of pockets in the middle 3 by 4, and then some more photos. And I thought that is something that I could manage. But what happened is when I first started it, what I realized is I still love traditional scrapbooking. I still love the ability to take these photos and make these pages, and I wanted both. And I don't see a lot of people doing both. I see a lot of, it's like divided, right? It's like you're either for traditional scrapbooking and that's all you do, or you're for pocketed scrapbooking or that's all you do, or you do digital where you do it, maybe in the Project Life app or Photoshop, and that's all you do. And I just love the idea of combining both aspects. And I feel like it is such an asset to memory keeping when you can do both. I can keep up on our everyday moments, like I don't need an entire scrapbook page about this one rainbow, but it was a really cool photo that my husband sent me from work. I can document that. I can have that. I can have these everyday moments of doing laundry, of organizing my office, of going out to eat with, with the kids, with the family, with, the kids as friends, or watching movies. Like, I can have that, but I can also take and do a really special layout and have that in my album and still have that fun, and also use all of my products that I've collected over, almost 20 years of doing this. So I love having both in here, and I want to show you a couple layouts that I've created. I have every month I do a simply, it's called Blessed to Scrap, and I do simply layered pages where I create pages and they don't have photos. They don't start with photos. And I know I just got a comment recently that somebody was like, I can't do that. Like, I don't know how to start a page without having photos. And I totally get that, because that's how I used to feel. I thought, I always my photos that's the inspiration for the page. Like that's the thing that I start with is the photos. And then over so many years of just getting comfortable with creating and also wanting to create sometimes, but not having photos to create with, I just got comfortable creating layouts. I call them simply layered pages because that's exactly what they are. It's a simple layout that I've just put together. I have some photo mats or some journaling spots, and I can add my photos later once I have them. Now this month I did our theme for Blessed to Scrap was a more masculine pages. I don't need to do a lot of masculine pages. The girls outweigh the boys in this house, and my husband and my son, they're not outdoor people. Like there's not a lot of outdoor things going on that are like more masculine projects or whatnot. Like they don't go fishing, they don't go hunting, they don't do those kinds of things. But I struggle a little bit making them, and I wanted to use this pattern paper because it's so beautiful. I really love it. I wanted to play around with doing some masculine pages. And so this month our workshop is using this product, this fish, the Gone Fishing items, and I shared some tips on this. We played with color. You can see this is a very bright kind of purpley color. This is the Moody Mauve, which is a new Stampin' Up color, and I wanted to play with that color with some of this other product, and so that's what we did for this month, and I really love it, and I love being able to do these simply layered pages and then being able to add them to my album later. I have a whole container of these, and it just gives me an opportunity to play around with some product if I am wanting to do that, but I don't have photos or I'm not ready to commit my photos to a layout. I can play around with some product and create these. So speaking of having a huge stack of layouts, I'm going to show you some of the past ones that I have. I am thinking about selling some of these. I have hundreds of these. Like literally I'm running out of space to be able to store these, and I am thinking about selling them. If you're interested in that, or you would be interested in that, please let me know. I'm just kind of putting it out there to see if anybody would be. The hard part is finding a way to ship these. They do fit in medium flat rate boxes, but that's like $14. So I guess if you purchased a lot of them, it would be worth it. And I'm really like, I'm thinking of selling these for like $15 a piece, like not expensive at all, not like $40 for a layout. I just would love for them to be used because I can't possibly use all the ones that I've created, and I create several a month for the workshop. So this was this month's workshop. It was the Gone Fishing. I have two other layouts that I share, but I don't have a PDF or a video for. These two layouts have a PDF and a video that walks you through my whole process of creating, and then the PDF has the measurements and all of the details. And then I shared two additional inspirational pieces. They don't have videos or PDFs, but here are just the ones that I've done in our Life Simply Documented group since the beginning of the year. And I have probably 4 times as many as this. I mean, this is just what I've done since January, and I thought I would share some with you. If you want to join Life Simply Documented, you can. It's $14.99 a month, and you are guaranteed 2 layouts, the Simply Layered layouts, 2 layouts with a PDF and a video. And then there's other amazing inspiration in that group. We do at least an additional project each week. I always aim for 2 projects. These are going to get really mixed up if I stack them like that. I normally do 2 projects each week additional that I don't share here that are all memory keeping related. In the month of July, I've only been sharing 1 just because that's all I can manage. This, I believe, was in May. I believe these are the layouts that we did in May. And we used 6x6 pattern paper, and I showed you how to make that into 2 12x12 layouts. This one was really fun. I used a lot of my Ali Edwards product on this. On this one, you can see this is Ali Edwards product on there. So that was May. This one might have been March, February or March. And I love the way this came out. I love this product. This is from Photoplay. They are amazing, an amazing company, and I love their paper. So this might have been in March, or it might have been February. Again, these are just ones that I've done since the beginning of the year. I love the way these came out. These were really fun. I love the colors. So I'm just gonna go through these. I'm gonna pop some music on and just go through these and share with you the ones that I've done since January.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know,
So I really love these traditional layouts. If you're interested in purchasing, leave a comment just so I know, maybe I can get a gauge of how many people might be interested in that. And then I would love for you to join Life Simply Documented. Come over, be a part of our community, see these layouts. I have a Facebook group that you can be a part of, but I also have a website. So when you join, if you are not on Facebook, it's totally fine because I have everything on a website that you can just go through and check everything out, and you don't have to be on the Facebook group. Everything is updated on the website through June. I'm getting ready to do July next weekend, so everything will be up for July. And then we do have an exclusive Facebook group. If you have a fake profile on Facebook, I know a lot of people do that. They don't want their information on Facebook, so they just create a fake Facebook account. If that is the case, just let me know and I will get you into the Facebook group, and that is totally fine. I have a couple people in the Facebook group right now that have that, where they have a fake account and they are in the Facebook group, and I understand who they are and know who they are, and I approve them into the group. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure to tune into my video tomorrow. I'm doing a quick office cleanup, sharing another community project that I'm doing in Life Simply Documented, and also sharing the categories for my dies. I got a question about what categories I break them up into during my big cleanup, and I am addressing that question tomorrow. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful Friday, and I will chat with you in my very next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that you can check out if you are interested. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you would like, hit that like button so that YouTube knows you enjoy this content and they will be nice to me. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will catch you in my next video.